Welcome to the Living Coast, and I would like to introduce you to our newest resident, our California two-spot octopus. Now, one of the ways you can kind of identify her from other species of octopus are going to be those two bright blue spots on either side of her head there. And that's going to kind of tell predators, hey, look at my big eyes. I'm kind of scary. However, I think she's really adorable. She has kind of a tan coloration going on. That's her normal state. Octopus are the master of disguise, but how exactly do they do that? They have thousands of tiny cells that are essentially elastic balloons in their skin called chromatophores. Those chromatophores contain fluid that are pigmented, so as they expand and contract, they're going to go ahead and make the octopus a different color. So if you have a red cell that expands, you're going to have more surface area, turning the octopus a more red color than, say, a tan color like she's presenting now. Now, octopus do have 9 brains total. So she has one central brain in that little noggin of hers, and that's going to override all the other little brains she has in each of those arms. Each of the arms has their own individual brain, which is going to kind of control what that arm is doing, even if her central brain in her head doesn't know that she's doing that. That's going to allow her to open up clams while also looking for other food sources in the den that she is looking for them. Her favorite food right now is going to be shrimp. So we have this big stick that we'll go ahead and skewer a piece of shrimp onto. And then we take it, we stick it into her habitat, and we put it on the window. This is because we want her to always go to the same spot on the window when we feed her. She jumps on it and grabs onto it, and then we have to wait a second, otherwise she'll pull the stick back in with her. But once she has that food, she goes ahead and lets go, and then she loves to hide in this little den down here. That's where she eats her food, that's where she sleeps, that's where she goes for safety. So if you're ever around here looking for our California two-spot octopus, she's definitely either going to be down here in this little cave, or sometimes she's been hanging out in the kelp plant itself.